Hello friends, this is how I practice classic palming. I'm classic palming, and this is how I walk onto the street, and no one will realize that I'm classic palming. But when I meet a friend, I could just release the 2 coins that I'm palming, and I could shake their hands. Nothing. I'm actually classic palming. You can hear the 2 coins. They're actually here. But whenever someone holds my hand or requests me to do something for them, I could just free my hand. It is this a very simple idea that you could just spend half an hour or just a few minutes to do. So you get something like this from the internet, or you find it at home. It is something you can find on a name tag, or a watch chain, I mean a dangler, or a key ring, and I stick 2 coins with tape like this so that they're separate. You could palm them, and whenever you need to, you could just release them. Or when you make a mistake, you fall asleep, they won't drop. Okay, when you need to do the laundry, all you need to do is to unscrew this, put this aside, and you just wash the top like this. Try this out.